Hello there and welcome to my workshop. A lot of you out there have been asking me or telling me that you can't get Fusion 360 home version or personal version, not for commercial use. Well, you'll see in the background here I've got Fusion open, and this is my personal copy that I actually renewed, downloaded or updated yesterday, and just to show you that it is still available, and I'll show you where to get it from. And indeed here it is, live on the internet. It's Autodesk Fusion for personal use. Now a lot of you are saying, oh yeah, but you can only download a free trial. Well, actually you just go there and download Fusion 360 and it automatically downloads the not for commercial use version. It is slightly limited, or it is quite limited, but you know the functionality of Fusion 360 you know is more than a hobbyist would need, and it's, you know, the best program out there. In addition to that, the non-commercial use version you will need to update every year. Okay, they will automatically send you a subscription after 12 months, but that is their commercial way of saying, oh, you've used it for 12 months and how do you find it? Would you like to purchase a subscription? All you have to do is re-download it. You may have to use a secondary email address, a Gmail address, but generally they will allow you to continually every year re-download the newest version and let you continue using it. So that's really all I can tell you about the free version. If you'd like to have a look at some of my videos or tutorials on Fusion 360, I do generally use the non-commercial version because it's the one you will be using. So it's easy if we're all on the same page. So if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe, and if you'd like to consider becoming a patron to my channel, that would be a great help too. I will also leave a link down below this video in the video description area, you know, this exact address. Alright, so you just click on that and it will take you to this page so you can download it for yourself. So bye for now.